Think your camping setup is complete? Think again. Because these 12 next-level camping gadgets are so smart, you will wonder how you ever camped without them. From transforming your car into a luxury bedroom to portable kitchens and game-changing gear, number 1 is an absolute must-have. Number 12. Luno Airfoam Pro Mattress. Sleeping in your car doesn't mean waking up sore. The Luno Airfoam Pro Mattress changes that in turn. It makes your car an unexpectedly plush bed. Supported air chambers were designed to work together with soft foam top for a sleep surface that is much closer to a real mattress than a typical camping pad can be. It has a rectangular shape, which makes it easy to fit in most SUVs and crossovers. It includes a head supports bridge that fills the gap behind the front seats, which becomes the sleeping area. Built-in pockets keep all your cell phone, flashlight and other essential needs convenient. When it's time to hit the road, it quickly deflates, tolls up and packs away. Number 11. Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. Heavy gear can quickly ruin the fun. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro does the hard work for you. Its powered motor helps move heavy loads with surprisingly little effort. Sand, gravel, grass, and dirt trails are no challenge. It carries up to 300 pounds with ease. Variable speed control keeps every trip smooth and easy to manage. The removable battery delivers plenty of runtime for long outdoor adventures. When the day is over, it folds into a compact size for storage. Simple controls make it easy for anyone to use. Less pulling, more exploring. Number 10. Nitecore EMR10. Nothing ruins a campsite faster than mosquitoes. The Nitecore EMR10 helps keep them away. It combines heated mosquito repellent with ultrasonic technology for extra protection. A wide protection zone keeps your campsite more comfortable. One full charge keeps it running for up to 12 hours. And if your phone runs low, it also can serve as handy power bank. The bright display provides overview of battery level and operating mode. It is built with rugged, waterproof shell. Just grab it and got. It's ready for any adventure. Number 9. Ontap Roam. Running water changes the entire camping experience. The Ontap Roam brings pressurized water almost anywhere. No hand pumping. Just press a button and enjoy a steady flow. The rechargeable battery handles all the work. Its 16-liter tank provides enough water for cooking, cleaning, and quick showers. Food-safe materials help keep every drop fresh. The compact design is easy to carry and store. Setup takes only minutes. Simple, practical, and perfect for making off-grid camping feel far more comfortable. Number 8. Fire Maple Sunflower X Heater and Stove. One compact tool. Two essential jobs. The Fire Maple Sunflower X works as both a heater and a stove. Its powerful 2.5 kilowatts output keeps you warm on cold nights. When it's time to cook, simply adjust the flame and get started. Infrared heating delivers fast, efficient warmth. Wind-resistant panels help maintain a steady flame outdoors. Its lightweight design makes packing simple. Less gear to carry. Number 7. Daylodge Workspace Camp Kitchen. The Daylodge Workspace Camp Kitchen is a portable prep station. It unfolds into a table with storage panels for utensils and bottles. The built-in cutting board makes meal prep easy. It can be used on tables or mounted to a vehicle. Constructed out of sturdy nylon, it is suitable to the outdoors. The gear is sorted with several compartments. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for quick setups. It is most suitable to the campers who wish to have a small, neat, and portable cooking area. Number 6. VEVOR Outdoor Oven. Camp food doesn't have to be basic. The VEVOR Outdoor Oven brings the action of cooking outside. It reaches an astounding temperature of 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Pizzas can be cooked in just 90 seconds. Use gas or wood pellets as per equipment. The insulated body keeps heat evenly distributed to cook perfectly. Easy to carry and store with foldable legs. Ideal for making pizzas, steaks, vegetables, and other dishes. portable enough to take almost anywhere. Number 5. Snow Peak Takibi Fire Grill. The Snow Peak Takibi Fire and Grill is an excellent outdoor cooking solution. It can be used as a grill and fire pit. This provides flexibility in camp. The stainless steel construction gives the build a high level of courtesy in terms of durability. It comes with multiple components for easy setup. You can cook meals or enjoy a warm fire. The design is compact and portable. It folds down neatly for transport. This makes it ideal for campers who want quality gear. It brings comfort and functionality to outdoor cooking. Perfect for social gatherings around the fire. Number 4. Trailfire 4-in-1 Grill. Why carry 4 cooking tools? The Trailfire 4-in-1 Grill replaces them all. It works as a barbecue, wok, pizza oven, and fire pit in one compact system. The spacious cooking surface easily feeds the whole group. Flip the carbon steel lid to stir-fry or bake fresh pizza. Its powerful 50,000 BTU propane burner delivers fast, even heat. It's also approved for areas where wood fires aren't allowed. Less equipment. More cooking options. One smart setup for every outdoor meal. Number 3. Dometic CFX5 Electric Cooler. Dometic CFX5 Electric Cooler revolutionizes food storage on the go. The advanced compressor cooling technology is used to chill or freeze items with precision, rather than depending on ice. Dual zone also enables you to operate a fridge and freezer simultaneously, ideal for extended trips. It can withstand rough outdoor conditions and is suitable for all weather. It enhances the efficiency and saves power. Smart temperature management and tough built ensures it keeps everything fresh without hassle. Number 2. Roofnest Condor 2 Air Tent. There is no need to only sleep on the ground. The Roofnest Condor 2 Air elevates your camping experience. It easily mounts to most SUVs and trucks. Quick setup, requires only a few minutes. Rugged aluminum hard shell withstood harsh weather, wind, and rain. They have a large bed area inside, with built-in lighting and handy storage pockets. The elevated design keeps you away from mud, rocks, and uneven ground. Comfort meets adventure. Built for every season. Luxury camping has never been this simple. Number 1. Anker SOLIX C1000 Power Station. A great campsite still needs reliable power. The Anker SOLIX C1000 brings it wherever you go. It charges as quickly as in less than 1 hour to 80%. The long-lasting Litheli 4 battery is built for thousands of charging cycles. It is capable of output of up to 2,400 watts, making it powerful enough for appliances, tools, and everyday electronics. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously with multiple ports. Need off-grid energy? Simply connect compatible solar panels and recharge almost anywhere. Compact enough for road trips. Powerful enough for serious adventures. A must-have for campers who never want to run out of power.